All right, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. Okay, now in a previous video, I was showing you something about cleaning the chassis. And there's an area back here. I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna clean this back here. Have little cobwebs and spiderwebs, that sort of thing back there. All right, so spray a little. This is Radio Shack contact cleaner. I'd rather use that. That's about $10 a can. As opposed to my more expensive Deoxit. This stuff is about $16 a can, so I didn't want to use that. And so I bought several cans of the electronics cleaner by Radio Shack. There it is. Okay. It's important to have your fluids. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm wearing my safety glasses. Okay, for a very important reason. Because I have a can of blow off. You can buy this blow off at Walmart. Okay. So it's just a can of air. It really does help. That's it. Now, the reason I do that and wear my safety glasses when I do that is because, of course, I'm blowing dust up in the air. And have you ever had any of this junk fall in your eyes? Woo! You don't want it in your eyes. So that's why I put on my safety glasses before I start using the dust off. Or the blow off. It's called blow off duster. All right. So I'm grateful for that. I'm gonna buy me some more of that stuff. Blow off. Okay. All right. Till the next video. Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Hoping I'm helping somebody out there in Hammond, Oregon land. Peace out.